I am an inherent nurturer.
I am a mother.
I am a lover.
I am plant-based.
The earth's abundance connects me to my ability to love,
To nurture.
To create.
I am able to be all that I can be when I take time to nourish myself.
When I nourish myself, I feel unstoppable. I nourish myself to step into my courage.
I nourish my courage to connect to my soul.
I nourish my soul to love boundlessly.
I am an artist.
I am a force of nature.
I am an alchemist.
My body is a home.
It allows me to be whoever I want to be.
Everything I am in this being.
We are the seeds of eternity.
We are women.